In this guide video, I'll walk you through how can you redeem a Roblox gift card on iPhone. Now I'm using an Android device, however, to redeem a Roblox gift card either on iPhone or an Android device, the procedure will remain the same. All you have to do is make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first thing first, you want to make sure to update the application to the latest version. So head over to your respective app store and type in Roblox and update it so. After which, click the login button and then open up your Roblox application. So I actually have to go ahead and sign into my account. So after you're logged into your account, click the more icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then scroll down a bit and go to help and safety. After which, click on help from the top of the page. Then here on the search box, you want to type in redeem something familiar and click the search bar. After which, you just want to go ahead and click on how do I redeem a promo code. Click that link. And then you want to scroll down a bit and you could find a direct link to redeem your Roblox code. So click on redeem Roblox code and here you'll be able to redeem your Roblox gift card. So as you could see that Roblox gift card are not redeemable on the mobile app and must be redeemed on the web. So you have to use the web version of it and you'll have successfully redeemed Roblox gift card. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.